Good morning. So today is day one after I've had my hair transplant. Last night I had to sleep with a neck pillow and I had to sleep in kind of a upright position, which made sleeping quite a bit harder. With that being said, I did probably get about 3 to 4 hours of sleep. And overall, I guess it could have been worse. Today feeling pretty good. Pain levels pretty low, which I'm very surprised about. Pain levels are actually less this morning than they were last night trying to get to sleep, which is a good thing. I feel as though I already went down for breakfast this morning. Feel as though I can walk around totally fine, and I feel pretty good. Looking at the donor area, looking specifically at the front, looks like nothing moved last night. Everything's still settled in. Looking at the back, looks like there's no real issue with it. Which is good. That first 24 hours you have to be sure to maintain no contact with those areas, which is why it's required to have to sleep sitting upward. A couple things to note: I fly out tomorrow night to be specific. And one thing that is required before leaving the country is a PCR test coming back negative for COVID. So today's the day before. I made sure to order a PCR test. There's a great company that you can actually order the PCR test through, and they come straight to your hotel, straight to your room, and they take the test for you, and then they email you the results. So that's what I did. It was only about 300 Turkish lira, which is about 20 bucks US dollar. So there's that. Other than that, I will go in this morning. This morning is my first wash. They'll do my first wash and gonna look over everything, make sure that everything's good. And then after that, I won't see Fuecapilar again. That'll be my last visit. And then I'll just get ready to leave tomorrow. All right, thanks.